Dsonik presents the Robotic Door Trim Ultrasonic Spot Welding Machine, engineered for precision, automation, and performance in automotive manufacturing. Developed specifically for automotive door trim applications, this system ensures strong, clean, and uniform welds with excellent surface finish. Dsonic's ultrasonic spot welding technology creates high-strength joints without adhesives or mechanical fasteners, eliminating heat damage and material distortion. Integrated robotic automation ensures precise positioning and repeatable weld quality, improving productivity while minimizing human dependency. With faster cycle times and superior weld strength, manufacturers achieve higher throughput, reduced rework, and optimized production efficiency.